You guys have to finish everything in 1 hour. There cannot be a single mushroom or a single bit of crust on there. You have 1 hour on the clock as soon as you guys give me the green.
You're gonna let it cool it down for a little bit?
Matt, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? Let's do it. You guys are good? Let's go.
Let's go, Dave. Get to it. Look at that piece of, look at that. Stack up the crust.
Don't let the size fool you, ladies. Work 7 minutes.
7 minutes? I swear I'm not gonna puke. I'll stop before I puke. Maybe.
Much cheese. I'm sweating. I'm sweating.
Sweat's off.
I'm only 2 slices in here.
I hate you. I'm okay with being uncomfortable if I'm gonna win. But if I'm not gonna win, I don't want to be more uncomfortable.
Are we not gonna win?
You are gonna win. I don't know yet. I'm cool. I'm not at the point where I want to puke yet. I can't believe somebody's done this.
I can't either.
They're done.
Focus in on that spinach.
Check, please.
Definitely not spinach and mushrooms. Get some crunchy, because that was like soggy diapers in your mouth.
Honestly, it's a lot more deceiving. The toppings are really thick, crust is really thin. But picking your toppings will definitely help bring your speed up. And tell them to cut down on the cheese. It's rough. It's rough. I'm not gonna lie.
That pizza owned us.
Epic hack.
We got epic fail. Now selling.
I appreciate you, gentlemen.
You say how much?